baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with some more DIYs to share with you guys. Alright everyone, I have 3 items to share with you guys, and this is the things that we'll be using for the first 2 DIYs that I'll be sharing with you. And everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go over and check out and see what I used to do these DIYs. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we have these little, I don't know, decor signs or plaques that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be painting them white because I don't want to use the marking on them, so I'm just painting them white. And now that the paint has dried, I painted the back and the front. I'm going to add these square mirrors, just using some hot glue. And now that our mirror is on, we're just going to add some bling wrap, or wrap from Totally Dazzled, going right around. And now we have some black fur that I'll be adding to the bottom of our stand. If you guys remember in a previous DIY, I told you I had this fur lying around in the house. It used to be on an old coat and I just cut it off. And now I'm using it to do some DIYs and it looks so cute. And now we're going to add the Bling Gems from Totally Dazzled. You know I love my gems. We're going to add 2 of them to our mirrors. And now for our second DIY, you guys. We have the plaque, and I'm going to add the mirrored tiles to the bottom part of the plaque. And now we're just going to add some of our fur again to the bottom of our DIY. You know, you guys, when you have little things around the house, you know, you can use them. Things that you were going to throw out, look at it good and see if you can use it in another way. You know, recycle, reuse, yes. Alright you guys, our DIY looks a little plain with the plain white, so I'm just going to add some white glitter and some silver glitter to bling out the background a little bit more. Now that our plaque is dry, we're going to use these Bling Gems from Totally Dazzled. OMG, you guys know I just love the gems. They're absolutely beautiful, and my DIY is a wall of gems. I absolutely love it. So we're just going to use the glue and glue them down. And now for DIY number 3, we're going to be using these glass seed beads, which I got from the Dollar Tree, which we have them in blue. And we have them in a silver color. And I'm mixing the silver and the blue beads together. And then we're going to put some Mod Podge onto our vase and just sprinkle the beads onto our vase. Alright everyone, I let our beads dry for about 20 minutes, so now I'm going to add some white glitter and some silver glitter with some more Mod Podge onto our vase. And then after that, I'll have it sit for about another 20 minutes or so and let the Mod Podge dry. And here's our vase, everyone. I think it looks pretty nice with the glitter and everything. Now I have this wrap here that I'm going to be wrapping around the top part of the vase, going all the way around. And here's the finished look, you guys. Our 3 Christmas decor, or you could even make them for a gift for a friend or a loved one. I like how this one turned out with the mirror and the 2 bling gems on each side with the fur. And then our vase here, you guys. Oh, it looks so super cute with the beads. And you see I added a little butterfly at the bottom, which I glued it together with the Tealight holder. And then we have our bling out, oh gosh, our blinged out decor right here. I love it with all the gems from Totally Dazzled. Doesn't it look blingy and nice? And the fur, and there's glass at the bottom. The glass tiles are at the bottom with the fur beads and all the gems. It's absolutely beautiful. Alright, you guys, 3 lovely decors for the Christmas, or like I said, you can make them as a gift for someone, which would be very nice. Leave me a comment and tell me down below which one is your favorite. I think I like my wall of gems, yes, and the vase also. I love them both. But leave me a comment down below and tell me which ones are your favorite. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye, everyone.